We don't show today. We don't show this one. That's still that your night tonic where we always consider on top of your television screen. They tell you the things where they help arrange your relationship. Tonight, I have the peace ambassador inside the building who has been very cranky. Who knows if you don't enter in period? Nobody knows. But Shakara is in the building. The prince and the I don't know how I want to call you again because this night you are not Shakara. Tell us what happened.
No. I've always been Shakara, you know. Shakara.
No, I mean this
Shakara.
night.
This night, yes, Shakara is still Shakara. That's why the fact that
Did any girl, somebody disappoints you, the phone call no go through, which one? There's something wrong with you.
No, at times you good make person the overstress himself over what supposed to be. For example, you're supposed to fly, and you get to the airport, you don't buy your ticket, everything, and the flight is delayed. You understand?
So that one will make you
yes, it can. So things like that.
What of emotional? If girl supposed to come your house and then she no come.
You can be cranky over that. That's normal thing. It happens to every guy.
I think that's what worry you today.
You just grab your phone, you move on and check.
I call another one. Take it. A sharp, good, bad guy. Okay, and we still have the only one, and I'm still looking for a name to call it.
It's simple.
But there was in the building. There was in the building.
The one and only local fine boy. You know
the local fine boy.
Local fine boy. No,
you know they go now. Only
why you want to be local? Why you want to be local fine boy?
Local, now they collect money now, my brother.
But you know local. Okay, but you're the street fine boy. Street fine boy.
No, local fine boy.
Leave it on local. I mean, we'll connect. You understand?
You know, say when person don't get money, you go. That's why they try to call it. They give you something.
Any that way they use candle bomb.
You say why your eye go look that thing? You know, say you have to burn that place. I made it in no loose.
Made it in the hand. That's all now. That's the big.
Read that and I said they use candle.
Yes, now you must know the candle now. Fire they see you, sha. I tell you, I like that song. Give me a little fire, give me a little time. I will fight with fire.
That one crazy.
Only you won't fight with fire. I have someone inside the bar tonight. We want to make sure we want to discuss a very important topic. He goes by the name. He's a comedian. I'm sure. I don't know whether does he do more than comedy.
A lot. This guy, you know strip, you know the strip.
You cannot attest to that one. If you do
that's an event consultant, entertainment guru, event planner.
They do makeup.
In fact, he works with a medical doctor. You understand? As a PR to the medical doctor. So, in fact, the guy is now what in Buhari government cost.
Now, multi-talented, super-tasking.
Yes,
you have to do many kind of things so that you can be able to be okay.
Because these coppers will leave camp now. They post some furniture makers, please. Say, learn the craft. They will pay you. Just learn.
Just learn the craft.
Just learn.
So, in other words, I have to introduce him this way. I have a confused artist inside the building.
Yes.
A confused personality. Please help me make welcome. This guy is known as Swagger Prince. Swagger Prince.
Swagger.
Tell them something.
But you can't dress like teacher. You look like...
He come from work. Now, don't be talking that doctor for. We don't know work.
PA to doctor.
No. So what do you do today to make you dress like this?
It's matter of PA to doctor. You get the kind of country where you go live. When you see hard things before the country, if you don't give yourself brain will give you brain.
So in other words, the way they are like this, if you
go like this, if you can't go like this, you go like this.
They say you get the kind of country where you go live. That means it's only for like maybe many countries.
Only for different countries like Iraq, Afghanistan.
You see?
Ghana.
Why you not tell us say you bring ex-convicts?
Meanwhile, and I don't know say get countries in Nigeria better pass.
Which one?
Get one African country where I got no coordinator. They use second-hand toothpick.
Call their name now. Nobody go there now. Country where don't make sense. Now if you call their name.
Tell them they no go do
Country where
anything.
they say second-hand toothbrush.
Call their name now. If that's true, call their name now.
Country where say they will use corner you wash am. They call they say use one.
Have you read that book?
And use one.
Have you read that book?
Have
you read that book? There was a country.
There was a country.
By Chinua Achebe.
Okay.
What is the name of the country?
There was a country.
There was a country. Maybe in that same country you they talk about.
Another country talk about.
No, but Swagger Prince. Why? Okay, today when you dress like this now, Shana from the PA to the doctor, they come from. Which work you go do today when you dress like this?
No, me say, because I did something.
No, wait. You are not the PA. What are you to that?
Say you go look for a job.
No. I am the chief marketing
I don't know.
director
Okay.
of Kleinberg Medical Center.
This guy na marketer or Shakara.
So
Wetin dey talk about marketers that time?
PR. No.
Wait. You dey deal with drugs.
Yeah, we deal with medicine.
Na drugs.
Yes.
No, not with drugs.
Medicine and drugs.
They don't do medicine
No,
and
you are a
drugs.
drug dealer. Is that
No,
what
it's
you
not
are
a
trying
drug
to
dealer.
say?
They don't do medicine and drugs.
If this guy dey do medicine, then na babalawo. No.
You know, say they don't discover many fake syrup companies where they produce syrup. Your company there among one.
No, my company is a Canadian-based.
Because if we
No, my doctor is a Canadian-based doctor. Is a specialist. A family practice
must everything be foreign. Now why only for Nigeria when it's
with the situation of this country now, if your team don't come from watch our artists, even our artists, watch them now. But W come back. The bands come back. Patoranking then Nigeria say everything.
Come back.
So you have to go and come
You need
back.
to go and come back.
Have you gone?
Saka,
No, I went to Jos. I came back. I went.
Show me where you go.
my brother,
No.
I have been to Burkina so far. And I'm still here.
And you're back.
Where have you gone to?
No. You know where
Don't worry.
you
I
I came to Ireland and na mainland I
I
did.
prophesy.
Na mainland I did before.
If I be a man of God, you will go places.
You are not a man.
I see you going to places like
went-
toilets,
You are very silly.
bathroom,
You are very silly.
markets.
And then went to Tinsel.
And he came back, and it was Salem there.
Showman, they tell you, you go places, please collect transport. Now, what do you men of God?
No.
Men of God will pray for you. You are going
Give me money. You know, after when you go meet this man of God, say, sir, I have a pastor, I have a problem. I cannot even pay my school fees. Are you serious? Give me your hands. Give me your hands. You see that money? Father Lord. Well, which kind of Father Lord? I need money. Let me join your faith with you. By your faith, say for bank.
So
You are joining
No,
faith.
you use only your faith.
No,
We
We will go on this break. Before we go on this very short break, make a turn at the 201 discuss today. It is very important because many men are failing in this regards. So our topic for today, I say, it dey okay. Make your partner they rate your sex performance. I say it again. It dey okay. Make your partner they rate. Chakaro they smile. They rate your sex performance. So no go anywhere. If in case you want to trick your mouth, follow our social media portals where they fly under your screen there. And if you want to move, just make sure you are only moving one leg. Don't move the two when they come back. I go straight.
No, no good. You no good make person direct performance at all.
It's okay now, which means she appreciates what, as in what transpired between me and her.
But if a woman do that kind of thing, which means she has another thing outside doing.
Okay, welcome back to that show where they call Bubbles Yarn that we have been saving relationships since 2014. And we went to the street. This time around, we even asked some elderly men, and that man said something. Talk, say, if your wife asks you that kind of thing, that means say she don't either do something outside. Does that make sense, really?
Well, if you ask me, I not go on dive into this matter now so that
Why? Because you are a performer.
So that you will not use it against me because I know you.
Why now?
So I want to throw it to the younger ones in the studio.
Or the less performers. I know what you are saying.
At least,
See, that's like, on the old, you don't already agree say you are a high performer.
No.
That's why you want people that are less.
Problem.
That's what you just said now.
Showman, you might hear from my lawyer very soon. I'm serious.
Let's Shakara.
They say you want to hear from a younger one, not young
What do you
performance.
mean?
Younger ones. At least I have someone supporting the day.
We agree.
Okay, and then what do you want to start or do you want to agape?
We actually forever young and proud.
Thank you. But are you performing?
My brother, my performance.
Is it top rated
They say
performance?
A game, A plus.
A plus performance.
Performance at the top.
That means you are saying that your engine, you've checked the oil,
My brother,
the oil is working,
You have changed
your shock
oil,
absorber.
Your shock absorber is confirmed. You cannot be moving and be hearing noise. There's no smoke in your engine.
Wow.
What are you saying?
Are you telling me this is a young
Clean.
performer?
That is, I'm very confused.
No. You know say sometimes all these girls can be confusing. You get how you go do your babe, they do your babe go, oh baby you are too good, oh baby you are sweet. She won't impress you, make you not go feel say you know they try.
So what are you trying to say?
In other words,
That was them day.
sometimes where some girls go say, oh baby you did well. Not me say you do well.
So
They
what
do
do
that
they-
you do well.
Then what
make
should
you-
the guy
make
do?
you- No. Wait till the guy.
If a girl don't compliment you, tell you say you did well.
No. If girl tell you say you do well, there's always room for improvement.
Yes, there's always. See,
if you do girl, she don't talk anything.
I want to advise you guys before you guys. I know Shakara has not spoken yet because he's just smiling and saying, "Look at this one.
Shakara,
look at all these amateur people. These are men that I know these are men that I know that when I told them, okay, we're not here. I told you Shakara went for a military interview.
Okay.
You understand? Let me tell this.
That's gone.
Wait now.
Let him tell us. Are you not proud to be the elder?
I don't understand.
Let's hear your story.
So
he has a body lineage.
Let me tell you what happened.
Sorry, sir.
So Shakara went for this military interview. That was back then when he was meant to join the army. Before he realized that he has Navy. Before he realized that he has a ministry of in comedy. So you know when you are going for this kind of interview, they brought them into a room and told all them to be naked. So my brother did not realize. He never knew what it meant. You understand? They say, all of you stand up. They stood. Then they brought in sexy ladies into the place. You understand? Beautiful naked ladies, and only my good friend Shakara
was
attention. A staff of office went and they say you are employed.
Wow.
You have gotten the job. So, but I don't know why he changed. So I know these are men that are capable. Now, but I want to also seek advice and lay a platform and foundation for everybody who want to follow him. I feel if your girl tell you say Swagger Prince or Edewo or Shakara, you are doing very well. I think it is still your responsibility. If you were hitting harder, you now hit hardest.
Yeah.
You have to make sure, or you hit hardest.
No.
You have to make sure that your girl must either cry, my womb, my
that
womb,
is another
my
point.
womb. So that you can now realize that you have done a very good job.
Shoma, okay, listen now.
My womb.
You don't take him now. You are taking it from the positive angle now. When she will tell you say you do well, because the question we will try answer
now,
today.
Now, if you rate your performance,
rate your performance, rating can be otherwise than do well.
Okay, what is? Please tell us this rating.
And now when somebody they rate your performance, you know me say no only when you score well. Now I go tell you. If you know good rating means say the day when you don't do well.
Yes, yes. But you say in general, you understand?
For our radio station, the day we say they no perform well. Rating go call, they come.
Even NBC they rate. So I don't think it's a bad thing. But that man said that if your wife is rating, that means say she don't taste outside.
You know why? Because you don't already take the good side, say good because you go know how to do it better. You she don't. What if she tell you say you perform well? Is that encouragement for you to work harder or discouragement?
Hello, I want you to not confuse our viewers. Are you trying to say rating is good or not? I want to know.
Okay, rating is not good.
Okay, rating is not good
because. Because when you say rating is good, you don't only take and say that the day when you perform well, she can rate you, say, hey!
No,
you understand?
Some women tell you there and there that what happened today. Some women will tell you, say, this is not you.
Let me tell you.
Have you not seen a situation, okay, he's not been in a very steady and a long relationship. But if you don't...
You don't follow me all the way from Jos. How many years? We have come Lagos. Okay, Keremiyaro Kamanke.
You know this quarter.
I go break up for my head.
No, you know what I'm saying. If your girl, you understand. If you don't do well, because I don't see where girl, you understand, where you crank your girlfriend in a very unusual way. Good the girl will come tell you when you finish, say this is not like you understand? You know when you just come one day, you carry your girl, do Silifa method, you carry her, she won't go, you carry her go wall, you push her. She even say, Shakara one just the missionary method and the rest. So now she's rating you understand, because she's surprised. So rating I feel, you understand, is always good. Because if you know rate, how do you know?
Do you know why? What if a girl, now the first time,
where you they crank her with her, she has no right to rate you.
No, she wants to. It's a thing.
Because let me tell you, there's no girl that will rate you. Every girl always believes that your first cranking, that's the first time when you crank a girl, is just, the second one is the main one. So a girl that will rate you at the first one, you
that
know
girl
she's
is-
a...
The second one might not be even the main one, no.
Okay, but even be the third one.
Swagger Prince, you don't crank girl before meet the girl. Either hail
Squirts.
you or tell you.
I have-
We're not talking to corrupt people that
What is wrong? I am telling you how you can.
We
I
say that
do you
is
know?
what it means, squirt.
Hello. Let me tell you.
Showman.
If there's a level to which you crank your girl on a steady level, like where you make her squirt. You don't need her.
You know, say not be every woman is squirt.
Wait now.
Yes,
let me tell you.
yes,
I'll come
You
here.
get woman when you go hit tire.
You go hit tire.
every
Nothing
woman.
will happen.
Let me
Nothing.
land.
You chook leg put, you know,
Let me land. I said there's a level where you go fit crank your babe or your wife, you understand? Like if she squirts, if some no squirt, there's still a level where a lot of coming, where she will come. That she has no right, no moral justification to ask you that or tell you or rate your performance. Squirting alone, coming alone is already
A pass mark.
a pass mark.
No, but coming is not a pass mark.
Why would it be a pass mark? What is
Because there are
what
people
is sex for?
There are people that once you just touch their G spot,
They will come.
They come. That
So
means
if you have come, the
them.
pleasure is already there.
No, some women. Come
Do you know
like
that? Do you know that? Now,
But-
if you
but
want to come to
every
times,
woman, any woman will come. That means she enjoy them.
thank you.
But it's
Because
not
then they easily
satisfying.
come.
Do you know what coming? Do you know what coming is? What if is a man that wants
if a man
plenty
come,
satisfaction? A woman,
If man
a
come, you
woman,
don't-
after her first.
Showman,
Do you know that? Do you know that after a woman's first coming, you don't
There's a
just.
second
It's
coming.
not allowed. It's not proper for a man to immediately just start to the crank. You need to do things like, either
Start afresh again.
yes,
Kiss
kissing
somebody,
and dress. You
somebody,
must do the foreplay.
Edewo, let me ask you people this now.
Before you ask, I must go on this because I think I'm talking about the
You
ladies.
are very,
Let's go to
when
the
you
serious.
make your point finish, then you go and break.
No, I'll come back to you.
You
On you, I'll come
Break
to you.
bottle.
On you, I'll come back to you. But right now,
Break
it's your
bottle.
opinion. Will you come back?
No. E no good be say at least una go call each other one on one say okay girl na so e dey happen okay let's do it this way but e no go make him dey rate am.
Because the way you go take one time, no be the way I go take one time. And the way I go take one time, no like not the way you go take one time. So, no need.
Welcome back to that nice show they call Bobo Sian, and right now inside the bar it is all heated, and we are very, very serious on this matter because we are men that love to please our women, and we are discussing a matter that can also involve the women because we are saying whether it is okay for you to rate your partner performance. And women there on the street say, most of them say they don't really think there's any need to do that. I'm one of the girls is trying to call me now to rate my performance. Do I answer this?
Are you sure
this
she's
call
calling to
trying
you? Tell you say
You
they
they
go
tell
and
you that
money.
you are not doing anything. You will not be doing anything.
Let me tell her. Let me put her on. Hello, you are live on Bobo Sian, AC.
Hi.
Can you hear me? You are live on my show. Are you ready to talk about what you want to tell me?
Is he owing you money?
AC, can you hear me?
AC, is he owing you money?
She has disconnected it immediately.
See, live on the show.
You have to be very real. I tell I am.
Showman, sincerely speaking,
Yeah.
I believe woman no be just say come, you just dissatisfied. You understand? There's much more to satisfy. Like you now, let me ask the truth of you now. There's this very sexy girl. When they say girl sexy, she's tall, she's fair, she has all the
Every man's dream.
everything confirmed. If you just climb, then you come. Will you be satisfied that you are okay? I'm okay.
That is my girl. Come.
No, you as a man.
As if that enter, you just come.
You understand?
When I begin
You are
just
not
now,
satisfied.
I say we love to please our women.
You're not pleasing her now yourself. But you don't come because you describe coming as being satisfied that you are
My
okay as far as
brother,
you don't come.
let me tell you the way me I dey crank. Which I believe if I want to do in future, you understand? Once I come,
You actually talk like, are you trying to talk to yourself or deceive yourself or educate somebody that's listening? Which one that you have not done before in your
I'm
life?
doing the latter, which is to No, the latter, which is to educate them. I want to educate the people. Shakara, coming is the highest.
Coming be like this now.
Let me tell him something. Wait. Let me explain.
Or you are
Let me tell him something. Let me tell you what Snoop Dogg said.
Oh, geez.
Snoop Dogg has so much money. He has a beautiful family. You understand? He gets everything he needs. He doesn't need any other thing. So it's someone that is always high. But he said right now, at his point or stage of his life, say there's nothing where they excite him for this life like coming. This is the level to which he has reached now. Say just anything, nothing is sweeter. Even if you take crack or anything, say the only thing now where they sweeter now coming. Coming is the highest form of pleasure during sex.
Come again?
Eh? So he loves to come.
We like to come. Why not go and come again?
Yes, now they tell you.
You cannot go to a good restaurant and have a good meal. I don't want to.
Yes, but let me tell you, there are some men, if you freaking know, you understand that as you crank Angela, say you go soon come out, go crank Iyabo, or you go crank BC, you know, say if this girl don't come, and she's not demanding for the second coming, you understand? Why do you want to come again? Coming makes you lose energy and blood. Go over to the next one.
And then what, Swagger Prince, answer this question sincerely. Please, don't be angry. Have you ever cranked a girl and you know, say, this girl don't come, but she see they use leg, they hold you. She see they hold you.
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Because she wants more.
Okay, why?
She wants more.
So why you not say when she don't come, she should be satisfied?
Do you know that?
You know, sometimes it gets some
wrap
girls.
up now.
No, you know, you get some girls who be say, if they take before they come. Not be every woman they come.
And most times they lie to you.
They never come. And again, most times they lie to you. No, you come, you go no. You go no.
No, we all get so.
But wait, sit down. Let me tell you something. You get some girl. For man feed they come like 2 times or 3 times. One come, no they do man. But you see woman, so woman.
No, me one come to do me. One.
I say so. But you see woman. If you succeed, make woman come once.
Yes.
You succeed, make her come once.
You don't win trophy.
You don't win trophy. She can love you forever. I don't do that situation before. As in, not be saying that for real life, not for dream. But I come back up to say.
You know what? I gotta run right now. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this topic tomorrow, and I will have a guy they call Pando.
Part 2 of all our topics.
No, this one I must do a part 2 because I never agree on this performance. So I'm gonna have a guy with they call Pando. Pando they also do on Wazobia FM with Diplomatic OPJ. I need to discuss this topic. You don't want us to do it again?
No, we have another topic that
Pando can do.
To say about. So let's leave this topic first for further notice.
Okay, so we are going to push it. Thank you very much, Swagger Prince. Thank you. And then
the second comment,
you have been very, very good. Chakara, God bless you. So from us, we don't plan to come on this show, but we are going to come again tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, and God bless you. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.